have an adjournment so that we can get that done.
February 18th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond continue.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you,
9
sir.
a.m.
Okay.
We'll be for that. Give me
Okay.
a call.
Court calls case People
Okay.
versus Noman Khan.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Khan.
Sir, please state your name.
Noman Rahman Khan.
All right.
I'm requesting adjournment so I can,
We need to get going on this because
yes, Your Honor.
this has been this is the last adjournment, February 18th, 2026, 9 a.m.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you. Court calls case of the People versus Joshua Wara. Here we go.
Not represented by counsel in this matter, Your Honor.
He's not?
No, it's accountant.
Okay. Your name?
Joshua William Wara.
All right. Did we get a report on this?
Your Honor, I do believe that we received a report. I have it
Yes, I see it.
dated January 14th. Our office received, I believe, on the 28th. I would stipulate to the entry of that report and ask that the court find the defendant, I believe was competent, was the finder.
Yes, it was competent. Mr. Wara, did you want to review this report? This is a competency report. It found you competent to stand trial.
Yes, Your Honor, I've already reviewed it.
Okay.
I had a question.
Okay, go ahead.
Is there any way I could get a bond reduction by chance?
Well, I'm not going to deal with the bond reduction right now. I've got to deal with this part of it.
Okay, thank
Do you
you.
have any objection to what's contained in the report?
No,
Okay, and you don't mind the court considering that in the determination of competency?
no, Your Honor.
All right. Based upon a review of that report, the court would find that the defendant is competent to stand trial. Specifically, the court would find that the defendant can rationally assist in his defense and does understand the nature and objects of the proceedings against him. Therefore, the defendant is deemed competent. And since he does not have counsel in this case, Mr. Cook, if you could please prepare a competency order for the court signature.
I believe.
Is there one in there?
We've already done that, but if it's not there, I'm certainly.
Just a second. It's here. I got it. So I will,
I'm currently trying to retain a lawyer, Your Honor.
okay. So, Mr. Warren, you say you're trying to retain one?
Yes. I have a public defender, Hannah, and also Gina for my felony.
I'm sorry, say again?
I said I have a public defender at the moment. I don't know why she is not present.
Okay, when you say you have a public defender, is that on your other cases?
That's on this one. She was here at the last hearing. Hannah.
Who did?
Ms. Apple.
Okay, so you were represented by Hannah Apple
Yes, Your Honor.
at another proceeding. Was that before me, though?
No, yes.
Yeah, I think that was a PCC. So here's the problem. On this case, you don't have an attorney assigned to you. Hang on, did you want me to assign the public defender to represent you on this?
Yes, I would like
Okay.
legal representation for now.
All right, thank you, Mr. Ward. Then this is a public defender case.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Mr. Wara. Your Honor, now that he's been found competent, will you set another pretrial date?
I will.
Earliest date possible.
I'll adjourn it to February, earliest date is February 18th, 2026, 9 a.m.
As to bond, Your Honor.
Yeah, what's his other bond?
Your Honor, looking at X jail, his bond on his other matter set at 25,000. I don't see a 10%. I would also note he has a parole out from MDO.
Okay. So here's what I'm going to do, Mr. Warren. Let me explain why. I'm going to keep your bond where it is so that you're getting credit on this case. Because even if I change it, you're not going to go anywhere because you've got a bond on the other case.
Your Honor, with the parole hold, I believe that I do not get any time accredited towards anything because I have a parole hold.
Well, theoretically, yeah. I mean, you're right, but it wouldn't matter. Well, if I set a PR, then you're still not going to go anywhere. So it doesn't.
I believe my agent would lift my hold if I was able to post bond.
Well, why don't I, if you were able to post bond? So here's what I'll do. I'm not going to do anything today. I'll consider that if once the PD checks, and if that's true, then I'll consider reducing it. How about that?
Okay, is the 18th pretrial by chance?
It's a pretrial. Yes.
Could I come for immediate sentencing? Get sentenced?
Well, it depends on if there's a plea. You haven't even, Mr. Warren, so that you know, you haven't even been found guilty of this. So I can't sentence you because there's no conviction of anything. So, Mr. Warren, hang on. Here's what I want you to do. All right. I'm going to adjourn it out 2 weeks. I want you to talk to your attorney. We'll come back and then we'll figure out what we do at that time. And I may consider immediate sentencing. The problem is we got restitution on it. That may be applicable in this case. I don't know.
What's your parole agent's name?
Agent Michael Crowell.
You know, which, is it airport? Which office?
It's at the CMH building downtown Ypsilanti on Towner.
Got it.
That's where I report, but it's with Washington County Parole.
Yes. And you have his number?
No,
I'll get it.
can you give me a copy of it also?
Yes. Not right now.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Warren?
Thank you.
All
Thank you,
right,
Mr.
great.
Simpson.
This
Thank
is-
you, Judge.
This is a lot better than the last time, right?
Yes, thank you. Honor.
All right,
Thank you,
buddy.
Honorable Judge.
All right, you take care.
Have a great day.
You too. Court calls the case, People versus Shannon Kiesling.
Your Honor, Raymond Cook for the people.
Ron Brown, appearing on behalf of Shannon Kiesling, Your Honor. I spoke to her last night. I'm asking for adjournment for her to reconsider sobriety.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
Okay,
To reconsider it?
yeah.
I'm gonna, yeah.
Okay, let me ask this. Is she going to try to go through that process?
Yes, and I believe she's already been referred. She was meeting with Mr. Ted Heaton
Yeah.
and,
When is that supposed to take?
well, she
I've
had,
already done it.
she had, and at first it wasn't a fit for her. But after we talked last night, she's now
Gonna find a way.
gonna find a way to make it work.
Right.
Okay.
It's
I'm not sure
fine.
what that means. I don't know. I need to know. Will the 18th be enough time for her to figure that out?
What?
The 18th?
We'll have to find out, I'm not sure when the next meeting is.
Ah.
We would adjourn so that between now and
It's
the
on
next meeting,
Thursdays, it's every other.
it's every other Thursday, but I can't remember if it was last week or this Thursday.
I'm looking at Judge Burkhart's calendar, I'm not seeing it. This week, it looks like there's not one next week from what I can tell, it's like just a deep down.
Okay, so I'll just go to March 4th,
March,
2026, 9 AM.
thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
So March 4th, that time to meet with Mr. Heaton.
Actually, there is one on the 12th, I don't know if the 18th would. work.
Oh, there is one on the 12th?
Well, hold on.
Then I'll adjourn it to the 18th.
So there's one on the 12th. You want to go to the one on the 12th? I'll send Mr. Heaton an email.
Okay. No, I've already done and paid $100 to do one of these.
But I think you need to see him again because he was under the impression he didn't want to attend.
Oh, no, he wasn't. This
Okay,
was later. This was with my lawyer. What's her name?
Perini,
Yeah.
I'm the new guy.
Okay.
Don't beat up the new guy.
No, I'm done.
218.
All right, the 18th, okay, Ms. Keith? Go at that.
Yeah,
I'll
just
talk
to
to
help me
Heaton.
figure it out. Okay.
I'll talk. to
I can
Heaton.
hear you better today. I got new hearing aids.
Thank you.
Yep, all set then?
Great.
And you'll get a hold of me?
Yes, when I talk to Mr. Heaton.
I know.
Thank you.
I got you.
Stop at her counter. Paper reminding him. Yeah.
Court calls case People versus Austin Knox.
Morning, Your Honor, Raymond Cook for the people.
How much is on there? Do we know?
For the judge, court shall please to assist the public defender on behalf of Mr. Knox, who's approaching the podium. Please take the record.
Austin James Knox, how are you doing, Your Honor?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Thank you, Judge. I believe we're gonna need an adjournment on Mr. Knox's file. He also wants me to make a bond request, Judge.
Turn the matter to March 4th, 2026, 9 AM.
Thank you, Judge. My
Oh,
understanding.
how many? And it's in the afternoon. All right.
Okay, I just spoke with Mr. Knox briefly, got to know him a little bit. Apparently, he is on testing through this court through community corrections. Apparently, he's doing alcohol and drug testing there. He indicates that he has been doing his testing.
What?
He indicates he has been doing his testing, but it's been putting a strain on his employment. He indicates that he works in Taylor for a rental car place as a mechanic. leave work early, come in and test. He was hoping maybe the frequency could be changed.
How often does he test? Looks like,
Once a week.
is it once a week?
Yeah, even with once a week, my boss is getting upset with me about it. They expect me to be there from 6 to 6 every day.
I got it. So what I will do is I'll reduce it testing to 1 time per month.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you very much, Judge.
All right.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Do I need to go to community corrections now?
Are
Or,
you scheduled?
Why you feel like you're,
no,
no, I'm kidding.
no.
Um,
Well, my number is called today.
was it, yeah, I'd go over there and get tested. If they called it today, go over and test today.
Talk to my lady, figure out the once a month thing.
Yeah, I probably wouldn't refer to her that way, but yes. Talk to her, tell her that Judge Simpson reduced you to once a month. They'll get a new order over there
Okay.
sometime today with that on it.
All right.
All right, but if you test today, then you'll be good for a while.
All right. Thank
All
you.
right, you're welcome.
You have a good day.
Thank you, Judge.
Court calls the case, People versus Elizabeth Loman.
Morning, Your Honor. Raymond Cook for the people.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Ms. Loman. She's in Florida. Is she on our Zoom?
Loman? Oh, there she is. All right, state your name, please.
Elizabeth Woman.
All right,
Your Honor, I'm requesting an adjournment on some more discovery I have to obtain.
I'll adjourn it to March 4th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond continued. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Court calls the case, People versus Carlos Mack.
Morning, Your Honor. Raymond Cook for the people.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Mr. Mack.
Carlos Mack? Oh, there he is.
Your Honor, there was an offer tendered by the prosecution, but we still have some more homework on the case. I'm requesting a brief adjournment. He has a sentencing next week in front of you on an OWVI, I believe.
February 18th, 2026, 9 a.m.
Thank you.
Bond continued. At 9 a.m.
Yes. See you next.
Court calls the case, People versus Elijah One Matthews.
Morning, Your Honor. Raymond Cook for the people.
Worship the Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Mr. Elijah Matthews. Hopefully he is present on.
Elijah One Matthews, he's not in.
All right, well, Judge, I did speak to Mr. Matthews yesterday. He was gonna ask me to request an adjournment to review the video. I don't know why he's not present. I would request a show cause or adjournment.
Bench warrant, 5,000, 10%. That warrant will issue immediately.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Court calls case of the People versus Chauncey Milligan.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Chauncey Milligan. I believe he's on Zoom.
Chauncey?
I am.
There he is. Okay. We got him. He's Motorola.
Yeah.
All right. What do we-
Requesting an adjournment. There's an offer in the case. I haven't been able to relay it to him.
Got it. All right, Chauncey, I'm gonna adjourn you out to March 4th. 2026, 9 a.m. Okay?
Okay,
All right. You take care.
you too.
Court calls case, People versus Jessica Mitchell.
Morning, Your Honor. Raymond Cook for the people.
Judge Torshov Feaster, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Ms. Mitchell, who's approaching the podium. When you arrive, please state your name for the record.
Jessica Mitchell.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. I believe Ms. Mitchell is requesting an adjournment. She is hoping I can get an offer from Mr. Cook that might keep the record clean. So
What? We'll
that might
keep the
keep-
record clean.
she's been clean for the last 7 years, Judge. So
What?
she has had no problem for the last 7 years. So she's hoping-
7 years.
Yes, Judge. So she's trying to maintain a clean track record.
7 years?
7 years, Judge.
I don't either.
Look at you.
Right? No. So
Proud of you too,
this
Judge.
can happen. Good things can happen.
I'm gonna negotiate on her behalf, Judge.
I'll adjourn it to March 4th, 2026, 9 a.m. All right, thank you, man.
Thank you, Judge.
Court does call the case, People versus Whitney Mitchell.
Morning, Your Honor. Raymond Cook for the people.
Ready, Judge. Torshov Feaster, Assistant Public Defender, appearing on behalf of Ms. Whitney Mitchell.
Mitchell's in Zoom.
Sure.
Miss Mitchell?
Yes.
All right, I need a camera, please.
Okay, I'm trying to. Okay, sorry.
Oh, there you go. Okay.
Thank you, Judge. I did speak to Ms. Mitchell yesterday.
You're
My-
not driving, right?
No, I'm parked outside of my job waiting to clock in. I just went to the car so
Okay.
they couldn't hear me.
Okay, gotcha. Okay. What
Thank
do
you,
we do?
Judge. According to the notes in this file, Ms. Mitchell has already done a private assessment, but she has not been able to have those records turned over yet to the appropriate people. So she's willing to do a assessment with Statman or one of the other people after Friday when she gets her paycheck. So she's requesting an adjournment so she can do a new assessment. She'll do that after she's paid.
Okay, we need to get this thing moving.
Yes, Judge.
And then what's the hope with the assessment? I guess some.
Yes.
Yeah. I believe we're working on getting her to sobriety court.
Okay, gotcha.
That's what the notes indicate, Judge. Yes.
So I'll adjourn this out then to March 4th,
Thank you, Judge.
2026, 9 a.m.
You got to get that done, Miss Mitchell, okay?
Okay, I'll go. I'll set it up.
All
Thank
right,
you.
thank you.
Thank you.
Court calls case people.